Hello, what is the value of a given that you have 5 to the power of a equals 50? Then let's have it to the solution from here. So from here, let's introduce log. So we have log 5 to the power of a equals log 50. Then let us recall that when we have log p to the power of m, this power m, we come down to base to be m multiplied by log p. So from here, we are going to have a multiplied by log 5 equals log 50. So let's divide through by log 5. So from here, log 5 will divide by log 5 will be 1 times a will give us a. So we have a to be equals log 50 divided by log 5. But let us note that we can have 5 times 10 to be equals 50. When we substitute it here, we are going to have a to be equals log, let's open parenthesis as 5 times 10, close the parenthesis, divided by log 5. Again, recall that when we have log a multiplied by b in parenthesis as this equals as when we have log a plus log b. So when we apply it here, we have a to be equals log 5 plus log 10 divided by log 5, this log 5. Then let's divide through by log 5 by this and see what will happen. So we are going to have a to be equals log 5 divided by log 5 plus log 10 divided by log 5. So log 5 will also divide by log 5 will give us 1. So we have a to be equals 1 plus log 10 divided by log 5. Let's also recall that we can also have 5 times 2 to be equals 10. Let's also substitute it here. So we are going to have a to be equals 1 plus log, open parenthesis, 5 times 2 in parenthesis, all divided by log 5. Recall from here that when we have log a multiplied by b in parenthesis equals log a plus log b. So we are going to apply it here. Then we have a to be equals 1 plus log 5 plus log 2, all divided by log 5. A equals 1 plus divide this by this will be log 5 divided by log 5 plus log 2 divided by log 5. So we have our a to be 1 plus, when log 5 also divided by log 5 will give us 1 plus log 2 divided by log 5. 1 plus 1 will give us 2. So here will be 2 plus log 2 divided by log 5. But let us recall from the law of log, when we have log a divided by log b equals as when we have log a in base b. So when you apply it here, we are going to have a to be equals 2 plus log 2 in base 5. And this is the value of a. So now a equals log a equals 2 plus log 2 in base 5. Then let us now check. So now to check, we have 5 to the power of a to be equals 50. Then when a equals 2 plus log 2 in base 5, then we substitute it here. We have 5 to the power of 2 plus log 2 in base 5. Then it's going to give us 50. Then recall from the law of indices that when we have a to the power of m plus n equals as a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. So when we apply this law here, where we have our m to be 2, our n to be log 2 in base 5, so we are going to have here to be 5 to the power of 2 multiplied by 5 to the power of log 2 in base 5. Then it's going to give us 50. Now, when we have 5 to the power of 2, simply means we have 5 times 5, then multiply by this again, 5 to the power of log 2 in base 5. Then it's going to give us 50. 5 times 5 will give us 25, multiplied by 5 to the power of log 2 in base 5. Then it's going to give us 50. Now let us recall one thing, that when we have a to the power of this, a to the power of log b in base a, so far this base and this are the same, the output of this will be equals b, meaning that when we have 2 to the power of log 3 in base 2, the output of this will be equals 3. So when we apply it here, we have 5 and 5 here, the output will be 2. So therefore from here we have 25 multiplied by 2, which equals 50. Now 2 times 5 will give us 10. It takes 0, we carry 1. 2 times 2 will give us 4, plus 1 we carry, make it 5. 50 equals 50. So from here the left hand side equals to the right hand side, and so therefore this implies that a equals 2 plus log 2 in base 5 satisfy the problem given to us. So if you are new here, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more maths tutorial videos. And here are the steps. Bye bye.